Since the beginning of time, from those very first moments when conscience was born to mankind, there started an ancient quest, uniting the hearts of men everywhere alike. The quest for purity. The year was 1945, the end of the pre-independence era, when India was fraught with tension and strife. Two friends, Prakrithinath Bhattacharya and Panchanan Mandal, brought to the Indian people a new brand of purity, Shalimar. As the years went by, faith in the purity of Shalimar's coconut oil spread all over the Indian subcontinent. The people's demand prompted the founders to build a large capacity plant in the suburbs of Kolkata. But very soon, that was not to be enough. The company acquired extensive areas of rich coconut plantations in South India. And there came up the second large capacity plant in Hyderabad. In the lifetime of Prakrithinath Bhattacharya. And over the last 6 decades, the brand has continued to grow, ever widening its horizons. A third plant came up in Haridwar, bringing Shalimar to northern India. Shalimar had finally arrived. To this date, Shalimar's coconut oil remains the household word it always was, the market leader in Eastern India. But the company never rested, always foraying into ever-diversifying pastures. The 90s saw Shalimar spread its quest into a variety of other products, setting new standards of quality, pledging to bring purity to the kitchens of India. In 1995, the markets were flooded with Shalimar's chef spices. Each ingredient was chosen from the finest fields. State-of-the-art technology was crafted to fully retain the freshness and purity of the spices throughout the processing and packaging chain. The response was tremendous. Shalimar's chef spices became an immediate success. The market leader in Eastern India. In the next 5 years, it was time for yet more as the world celebrated the new millennium. Yet another product was Shalimar's gift, Shalimar's mustard oil. The rich aroma and purity of Shalimar's mustard oil soon became a must-have standard in all Indian kitchens, capturing a prominent 12% share in Eastern India alone. 2009 saw Shalimar bring to its people yet another offering of pure tradition, Shalimar's Jasmine, a medicated hair oil bred from the ancient Ayurvedic disciplines. Throughout these last 6 decades, Shalimar has reigned over the Indian markets through a bond of love and trust that no other brand has been able to evoke. The small 2-room production unit is today a sprawling corporate headquarters in Kolkata, strategically overseeing the sales and distribution operations. From here has evolved as many as 20 separate branches all over India, manned by a well-trained and aggressive team devoted to the company's vision. In a continuous research and development program, highly skilled professionals working in Shalimar's laboratories, equipped with the most updated technology, are continuously churning out fresh methods and initiatives and ensuring stringent quality control. Amidst the footprints of mankind's quest for purity, Shalimar has left its own special mark, making its very own place in the hearts of the people. A shining force guiding its people into a future of promise.
मेरा प्यार शालीमार।
The Midas touch is named after a legendary king of Phrygia, near modern-day Turkey. Midas was granted the power to transmute whatever he touched into gold. Jamipol is proud to say that the organization has the modern equivalent to the Midas touch, helping steel plants in India transmute their steel into the finest quality by using Jamipol's products and services. The growth of the Indian steel industry has led to an increasing demand for quality steel. With scarcity of good quality coking coal, external desulfurization will play an important role in high quality steel manufacture. External desulfurization reduces overall steel making costs, and where blast furnaces are concerned, helps in raw material selection, improves productivity and reduces coke rate. In steel making, it allows the use of cheaper scrap, lower flux rate and consistent sulfur regime. This is where Jamipol comes in, manufacturing and supplying calcium carbide based CADs, magnesium based MAGs and mixture of calcium carbide and magnesium based CAMS desulfurization compounds. A joint venture company promoted by Tata Steel, SKW Stahl Metallurgy Germany and TAI Industries, Jamipol has two production units, one in Jamshedpur, another in Bellary, Karnataka, with others on the anvil. In keeping with its Tata heritage, Jamipol subscribes to Jamsetji Tata's vision. He said, "The Tata philosophy of management has always been and is today more than ever that corporate enterprises must be managed not merely in the interest of owners, but equally in those of their employees, of the consumers of their products, of the local community, and finally of the country as a whole." The organization's mission is therefore not only to add value to steel making, but also to transform the quality of life for the communities around. Backing this are initiatives that help the underprivileged women and children of the area, spearheaded by the employees and Asmita, the organization's ladies association. Jamipol's main focus has been to protect the environment through environment-friendly delivery mechanisms. Tree plantation is a regular feature in and around the works. Jamipol is IMS certified for sustainability, conforming to ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004 and OHSAS 18001-2007. The strength of our workforce is our main asset, leveraged through total employee involvement in innovation, improvement projects and other small group activities, including sports and games, strengthening the Jamipol values of respect for individual, Our customers include blue chip names like JSW Steel, Bhilai Steel, Rourkela Steel, SR Steel, Tata Metallics, Tire Rolls, SMS India Private Limited, ESM Group Incorporated, and of course, our parent company, Tata Steel. We are proud to be associated with Tata Steelium, SR 24 Carat Steel, Sail Salima, JSW Vishwas, and more.
Today, the Jamipol is the virtually sole supplier of desulfurization compounds to LD2 and slab caster, which is a part of the 4 million ton flat product complex of Jamshedpur.
We are talking to Jamipol to have a what we call the operating contract also. That means total desulfurization unit they can take over, they can operate, and they do the desulfurization for us. Equipment belongs to us, and that operation done by that team.
We never think that Jamipol is a separate entity here. JSW and Jamipol, they work together, and this will continue wherever JSW is putting a plant.
Jamipol's resources include a well-equipped laboratory for testing of DS compounds. A result is a journey towards excellence, fueled by quality products and services. Jamipol's proximity to its clients enables the organization to respond flexibly to customer needs. We offer various services like application engineering support in their DS process, engineering consultancy for setting up DS stations, and offer in-house designed DS stations suitable for mini blast furnaces. In line with the company's vision, an ambitious growth plan involving various new businesses like operation and maintenance of DS stations, total DS management on boom basis, grinding and supply of bentonite powder and lime are being actively pursued.
After Jamipol had doubled its turnover in the last 3 years, the employees of Jamipol were excited to take its next vision for the next 3 years to double its profits and triple its turnover, considering the new businesses as well as the growth in the desulfurization market. This will also see Jamipol grow in India as well as the SAARC countries, where there is a lot of interest in producing high quality steel in near future.
Jamipol's Midas touch will continue to transform steel making in India, contributing to the manufacture of the finest quality steel, ensuring that our passion for excellence is the driving force in a shining future.